Welcome back. As a refresher, in the previous module, we completed the machine preparations by finding the work offsets and loading our tool. We are now ready to begin program running. We will first run the program in simulation mode to look for any errors in the program. Then we will run the program in single block mode, and finally we will run the program in work mode. As I said, our first step is to run the program in simulation mode. This means we will run the program in single block mode with our z-axis above the stock, so no cutting happens. We want to test it to make sure there are no errors in our measurements or the program. Single block mode will read the program line by line with you manually pressing cycle start. To begin this process, let's adjust z. You will need to go into our Offsets menu, click Offset twice, you should see the Work tab selected. To adjust the z-axis, press the right arrow key twice. The screen should highlight the G54 z-axis. Now you will press 2 then enter. This will add 2 inches to your z offset. Now that our z is out of the way, we can continue. To get into the program we are wanting to test, you to press list programs. Press the down arrow to highlight the cut program. Press select program. To bring the program into view you will press memory, program, then reset. Our program is now in view. To run it in single block mode we need to select that. In the memory row of buttons, you will see single block and graphics. These both need to be selected. Single block will force us to run the code line by line and graphics will show you the path your tool has been set to follow. A key step here is to turn the rapid down. Rapid is the speed at which the machine parts move. When we are proving out programs, we want to turn the rapid down. There is an override button that will change the rapid to 5%, press that now.
Why do we keep rapid so low?
We want to test programs and begin program runs at a low rapid rate so that if an error occurs we can stop the program and mitigate damage. To run through the program line by line you will need to press cycle start. Each time you press go the line selected will change. As you go through this process you are looking for any errors in the program that could cause a crash or fault in your piece. To get used to this process, I am going to have you press cycle start 3 times, then we will automate the rest. Great. It looks like there are no errors in our program, it is ready to run. The next phase of running our program is to keep it in a single block but bring Z down to cut the piece. The first thing we will do is bring the Z-axis back down. You will need to go into our Offsets menu, click Offset twice, you should see the Work tab selected. To adjust the Z-axis, press the right arrow key twice. The screen should highlight the G54 Z-axis. Now you will press the minus button then enter. This will remove 2 inches to your Z offset. Z is now in the correct position to cut the stock. We need to get our program back in view. You will again press the list program. Press the down arrow to highlight the cut program. Press Select Program. To bring the program into view, you will press Memory, Program, then Reset. Single block is still on, so all we need to do is select Graphics to change the screen. We will also keep the rapid rate at 5% to start. When you prove out a program in this stage, it is normal to increase the rapid amount as you make your way through the program. You will see the rapid change the further we get.
What is rapid?
Moving machine components at the fastest possible rate of travel. Rapid rates can be adjusted at various levels using overrides. We will again run through the program line by line. The key difference here is that we will be cutting the stock. We need to pay attention to the tool paths and distances to make sure no collisions or errors occur. Again, to get used to this process, I am going to have you press cycle start 3 times, then we will automate the rest. You can now observe the automated tool cutting process. Great! We were able to complete the program with no issues. This means we can run the part as normal and not in a single block. Our final step is to run our program in work mode. This means we have successfully proved our program with no issues or errors. We will reset the program to go back to the beginning and start it again. To reset the program, we will press Memory, Program, then Reset. You can do that now. We will also adjust our rapid rate to 100%. We have proved the program in 2 stages, each of which were successful. We can safely say that our program can be run at full speed. You'll need to press the 100% rapid button to adjust the speed. The last thing is to press the cycle start to begin the program. You have done great work here. We covered a lot of content throughout these modules. Your next step is to show your competency in the Module 5 assessment. If you feel like you need to complete any of the prior modules again, this would be a great time to do that. They can be accessed on the lobby. Thank you for taking your time and putting your best work into these modules. If you would like to refer to any of the previous steps or modules and go through the process again, please use the door. Good luck on your assessment.